If you're not making money online in 2023, it's because you've overcomplicated everything. So in this video, I am going to remove all of this complications. I'm going to make it stupid simple for you to actually start making money online in 2023. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn exactly what you need to do to start making money online. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do a few things. We're going to look at some examples of how you could actually make money online. I'm going to show you step by step how you can start doing it too. We're going to remove all of the confusion and complications that come with attempting to make money online. So the first thing that I want to show you and I want to tell you is today is Valentine's Day in the United States. It's basically a day where people buy stuff that they probably don't need. They take their significant other out to dinner, and it's an opportunity to spend even more money. So we could use that opportunity as a way to make money. So if we take a look at my screen here, I have typed in Valentine's Day printable over on Etsy. As you can see, people are buying this thing 3,000 times from the store, 3,000 purchases for $8. If we take a look at Google here, I typed in Valentine's Day gift ideas and you can see different websites. So one of the pushbacks that I always get is that I'm always talking about TikTok or YouTube. This can work for literally any traffic source. So the biggest problem that people have is they have doubt in their mind that they can actually make money online. But once that loads, I'll show you. You can see here on YouTube, people are looking up Valentine's Day gift ideas. And where people are looking up stuff when they have questions, you can provide answers. In fact, this video right here has 196,000 views, only 8,000 subscribers. If we look on TikTok, you can see once again, people are looking up Valentine's Day gift ideas. I just typed in Valentine's gift ideas in multiple traffic sources, and you can see that people are looking for help. And when people are looking for help, that's our opportunity to make money. If we look at Pinterest here, you can see once again, I typed in Valentine's Day gift ideas. As you can see, people are creating content to help solve a problem. If we look at a keyword research tool called Ahrefs, there are 1,855 words for Valentine's Day gift ideas. Everything for teachers, Valentine's Day gift ideas for him, Valentine's Day gift ideas for her, for kids, all sorts of stuff. You just have to go out and figure out what your target audience wants. I typed in Valentine's Day gift over in Answer the Public, which is a free keyword research tool. And you can see that people are asking questions about Valentine's Day gift. It is really as simple as that. You identify a problem that people have, a question that they need answering, and you are going to go out and create that content. If we go back over to the blog, because I want to show you this, a lot of people will complain and say, I only talk about TikTok and YouTube, but you can see that this works for blog. In fact, that's how I found the Valentine's Day gift ideas that I purchased for my wife and my daughter. All right, so when I typed in Valentine's Day gift idea for daughter, you can see people have created blog posts about this very thing. If we remove this, we can just do Valentine's Day gift ideas. You're going to see that once again, there are lots of opportunities. So you're telling yourself that it's not possible to make money online. It's simply not true. You have to identify what your target audience wants to know. Find a question, find a series of questions, and you simply will answer them. So let's take a look at how you could do this. One easy way is to go over to Google and look up different US holidays. Now, right now, today is February 14th. If we look, Valentine's Day is here. Next would be Statehood Day. I don't think a lot of people celebrate that. But do people celebrate Susan B. Anthony's birthday? Maybe. Let's take a look. What you could do is you could simply create content around different holidays. So I'm just going to go back over to Etsy and we're going to put in Susan B. Anthony birthday. And we're going to see if people are actually looking this information up. Now, if they are, we could create content. If they're not, we can come back over here and we can look at another opportunity. So if we look at this, so it looks like people are actually celebrating Susan B. Anthony's birthday, and you could create content, create stuff to make money. People might be looking up different books, different activities that they could participate in. You create the content. Look at this one, Susan B. Anthony coloring pages. Someone's actually buying coloring pages of Susan B. Anthony, but let's say that that's not something anyone's going to be interested in. We can scroll through, we can look, federal holiday, we could look at President's Day. Now here in America, President's Day is a big day for sales. So what we could do is we could create content about the 10 best President's Day sales. So if we look at this, you can see that people are looking up all sorts of printables and PNGs and SVGs regarding President's Day. So if we click on this like that, we're going to see that people are creating different things for President's Day. Look at this. President Bingo Digital Print, President's Day Trivia, all sorts of stuff dedicated to President's Day. We could come back over to YouTube like this, and what people have done is they've created content about the best sales for President's Day. So if we do this like that, look at this. President's Day commercial, President's Day, let's do President's Day sales like this. And you could be an affiliate for these different companies. But you can see here that people are looking up information about these different President's Day sales. This is all stuff that you can do. Look at this. President's Day appliance sale 2023. Best refrigerator washer sale deals. 110 views from just 3 days ago. 37,000 subscribers. One thing that you have to realize with this is that you can't just create content a day or two before with these different sales. You are going to have to plan in advance. So you're going to be looking at maybe Ash Wednesday. You're going to be looking at first day of Women's History Month, Texas Independence Day. If you plan in advance, St. Patrick's Day is going to be a huge one for people in America. So if we copy this, we can look over in Etsy and we could create stuff around St. Patrick's Day. We could create the best drinking ideas or the best drinking games for St. Patrick's Day. We could put together a list of the best accessories. If we go over to Amazon and we type in St. Patrick's Day, I think I spelled Amazon wrong, but if we go over to Amazon and we type in St. Patrick's Day, you're going to see that there are tons of people that are looking up this information. We can create content about different meal ideas for St. Patrick's Day, and then we could actually either be an affiliate for different recipes or we could sell recipes ourselves for $5. But look at this. St. Patrick's Day decorations, gnome, garden flag, costume, accessories, wreaths, earrings, all sorts of stuff for St. Patrick's Day. Look at this. Do you think people buy this stuff? Yes, many times over. You could put together a list of the 10 best St. Patrick's Day accessories. You could do this over on TikTok or YouTube. We're going to paste in St. Patrick's Day accessories like this. Hit enter. We're going to do the same thing over on TikTok. And again, if you think about your target audience and what they want and what they need, you can help them and you can make money in the process. So if we go St. Patrick's Day accessories like that, and then we can just do this again and again and again. Irish accessories for St. Patrick's Day. Do you celebrate St. Patrick's Day? All sorts of stuff that you could essentially promote if you want to be an affiliate. If you want to create your own digital product, look at this. All sorts of stuff. If you want to do drop shipping and print on demand, you could create this type of stuff and make money, but you have to realize that you have to get started. Sitting on the sideline and saying everything's too saturated is a surefire way for you to fail with making money online. If we go over to Pinterest, we can once again put in like this, St. Patrick's Day accessories, and we're going to click on this. And once again, you're going to create content. So the process is really simple. You are going to identify a target audience. In this example, I'm using holidays. Next, you are going to think about ways that you can monetize this situation, whether it's creating SVGs, creating digital products, creating like a recipe book, creating affiliate products. Then you are going to create content to drive traffic to that product. For example, you could create content on YouTube. As you see here, lots of people are creating content on YouTube. 9,000 subscribers, 408 views. You can create content on TikTok. You could create a blog about St. Patrick's Day. If we paste in St. Patrick's Day in our Keywords Explorer, you're going to see that people are searching St. Patrick's Day thousands of times, and you can create content here, okay? You just need to create the content. So 105,000 keywords. St. Patrick's Day 2023 is going to be low competition because it's brand new. St. Patrick's Day 2021, you're not going to create content there, obviously. But if we come over here to YouTube or Google, you pick your poison. We do St. Patrick's Day accessories 2023. There's going to be much fewer competition. You simply will create content to drive traffic to your monetization, which is It could be a digital product, it could be a physical product, it could be affiliate marketing. You need to identify that and you can make money. There are literally hundreds of holidays that we celebrate here in the United States. And can this work outside the United States? Yes, you could write a blog in Mogadishu if you wanted to, targeting people that are interested in St. Patrick's Day. You could create Pinterest pins in Bangladesh for people that are interested in St. Patrick's Day. And St. Patrick's Day, I believe, is a global thing too. So you could go through, identify all of these different areas, all of these different holidays, and simply create content based on what people want. It's really as simple as that. Now, is this easy? No, it will take consistent and persistent effort for you to be successful. You might not see success on Texas Independent Day, for example, but if you keep working at it, you could see success in Pulaski's Day. Interesting thing is, my mom used to have it off on Pulaski Day. So this will work if you decide to make it work. Most people will try this once and they'll give up because they didn't automatically start making $1,000 per day. However, if you strategically target these holidays, you will start seeing success making money online. Hopefully that'll give you the motivation to continue. Now that you know a simple way to make money online in 2023, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to learn more. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.